Hey lovely people, Couponer Crystle here with a CVS haul. Actually went to CVS, guys, and I want to share it with you because I have a different strategy for dealing with CVS now. Yeah, that's what's going down. First deal I did was on my son's card, and I decided to get the Gain Flings. The Gain Flings, this is a 35 count, and it was priced $11.94 in my CVS. This product is a part of the spend 30 and get 10. However, I did not do that. All right, so I got that because I had a 3 off of 12 CRT for Gain Flings or Tide Pods on my son's card. And I said, yes, let me get this. So I got that. Now, the $3 came off, dropping the cost to $8.94 for the Gain Flings. The second product that I decided to get was the Mr. Clean Erasers. The Mr. Clean Erasers were priced $4.19 in my CVS. Now, what I decided to use was the 50-cent coupon out of this Sunday's 131 P&G, which is the February P&G inserts. Use that. Plus, on my son's card, I did get a $1 CRT for Mr. Clean Erasers or Mr. Clean Sheets. So I said, yes, let's use it. That dropped the cost down for the Mr. Clean Erasers to $2.69. So the total of both items was $11.63, guys. Now, I only had a $10 extra buck from my son's card from the last time I did a CVS deal. Who knows when that was? That dropped my cost down to $1.63. So ultimately, all I paid for my big bag of Gain Flings and my Mr. Clean Erasers, products I'm gonna buy anyway, guys, was only $1.63. Great deal. The second haul I actually did on my card, which is the loser card, okay? I'm calling it the loser card because I ain't getting good stuff. All right. So what I decided to get was the Febreze that I love to put in my car, the little Febreze card. They're priced $2.99 in my CVS, guys. I had to purchase 2 for a total of $5.98. Now, what I decided to use was that buy one, get one free coupon out of this Sunday's 131 P&G February insert. Dropped my cost down to $2.99 for the 2 car clips. The next thing I got was Maybelline. Yeah, I know it's a spend 12, get 4, but what's the point if I ain't got no other coupons, okay? So I only got this one for $4.29 because I got a $4 Maybelline coupon from CVS, a CRT. Who would have thought it? So I only paid 29 cents for my little makeup. And yes, it would track towards beauty whenever I decide to do beauty. Who knows when that's going to be. Do you feel all the hate that's coming through on this video? The next thing that I did, guys, was this product right here. It's the Clean Coat. This is a liquid dish soap, guys. This part is rubber. This part is glass. Okay, so I'm going to put my dish soap in this, and this is going to be super handy. It was priced $7.99 in my CVS. This is a new product line, apparently, in CVS, and they have the products to go in it, but I don't need that, okay? The reason why I got this product, guys, is because it's an Ibotta rebate for it. Actually, a $4 Ibotta rebate. So this is a great deal for me because I'm just trying to burn up my Care Pass. That's what I'm doing. So the $4 Ibotta rebate coming back on this $7.99 product is going to make the final cost be $3.99. That's great for me for a glass soap dispenser. Let's talk about the total of everything and how I paid for this particular transaction. The total of everything was $11.27 after the coupons. I had my $10 Care Pass, so I only had to pay $1.27. For that, my Maybelline, and my car clips. Great deal, guys. And I'm getting back $4 from Ibotta. After the Ibotta rebate, this product actually is a $2.73 moneymaker for my hauls because I'm getting back more than I actually put out. Ultimately, here's my strategy. You ready? Get what you need. That's it. Get what you need. Because what is the ultimate reason for us doing CVS, right? It's to save money. Yeah. I think what has happened to me, and I don't know if it's happened to you, I'm so used to getting so much stuff for nothing, for the low price of darn near free, okay? So I done got a little spoiled. From CVS. So what I'm going to have to do, kind of redirect my focus with CVS and really only hone in and focus on the things that is free or an extremely great deal that I need, okay? That's probably the only way I'm going to do it, because ultimately I feel with CVS, we've gotten so used to getting extra bucks and doing beauty and getting more extra bucks. And that's kind of like the strategy, you know, with CVS. And I feel like now, because of this change with the extra bucks, I'm just going to shop on the card that's giving me the extra bucks. I'm not saying I'm going to cancel my Care Pass, because I'm definitely not going to do that. But I don't feel under pressure to do a deal every week. I really don't, because I'm going to get $10 anyway, guys. I ain't got to shop at CVS no more. As long as I'm paying them my $5 every month, they're going to give me back $10. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm cool with that. I'll bop in there with my $10 like I did today and get me some good stuff that, hey, I'm cool with that. Because I feel like, shoot, I paid $5. Really, I paid what I paid for my stuff. I paid $1.27 for my stuff. But if you add in the $5, that's still $6.27. That's still good, because I'm getting 4 of it back. Well, I'm fine. So, I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments below of the video, what is y'all strategy for CVS? I want to know if you guys are still shopping at CVS, and what's your strategy? I mean, inquiring minds want to know. That's it, guys. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.